If a complex number z lies in the interior or on the boundary of a circle of radius 3 and center at -4, 0, then the greatest and least value of mod of z plus 1. Here it's given a circle with a center. Center is -4, 0 and radius is equal to 3 units. So we can represent this in complex number form like z minus, and the center we can take it as -4 plus 0 and it is less than or equals to 3. Since interior or on the boundary, so the complex numbers which will be satisfying either on the circle or inside the circle. So we can say for any point on the circle z and with the center, the distance between them, that's a mod, must be less than or equals to 3. So that is z minus of minus, that is plus 4. Mod of z plus 4 is less than or equals to 3. And now we need to find the greatest and least value of mod of z plus 1. So consider mod of z plus 1, which is always greater than or equals to 0 because it's a mod. And let's write mod of z plus 1 as mod of z plus 4 minus 3, which equals to z plus 4 plus of minus 3. And since we know the property mod of z1 plus z2 is always less than or equals to mod z1 plus mod z2, so by using this we can write as less than or equals to mod of z plus 4 plus mod of minus 3. So mod of z plus 4 is less than or equals to 3, so we can write this is less than or equals to 3 plus 3, that's equal to 6. So from 1 and 2, we can say that mod of z plus 1 lies between 0 and 6. That's the least value is 0 and the greatest value is 6. So greatest value is 6 and least value is 0. So our third option is correct.